Welcome back to Raw Forestry. This is where destruction becomes strategy, where waste becomes resource, where power meets purpose. The JLLS 2600 is not a toy. It's a heavy-duty scrap metal shredder built for high-volume punishment. Entire vehicles go in. Twisted steel comes out. Power, efficiency, durability. This is industrial-scale recycling at full throttle. Before the shredding begins, the car manipulator steps in. With calm, surgical movements, the operator separates components, strips valuable parts, and positions the frame with absolute control. No chaos, no wasted motion, just precision before destruction. Old cars are torn apart and reborn. This isn't just recycling, it's steel colliding with force, junk transformed into raw material. Every crushed vehicle carries a story. What was once someone's daily driver becomes feedstock for the next generation of machines. Modern dismantling relies on high-capacity excavators with precision jaws. Labor time drops, recovery rates rise. Each crushed frame is sorted by alloy, ensuring clean, high-quality feedstock for steel mills. That's how you close the recycling loop properly. Then the roar starts. Crushing a Plymouth Acclaim shows how modern scrap facilities maximize yield. Hydraulic force exceeding 150 tons compresses a full vehicle into dense bales. Less storage space, better smelting efficiency, smarter logistics. At the Nighthawk Recycling SDS plant, recycling isn't just a business, it's a mission. Sort first, recycle what can be saved. Transform the unrecyclable into energy. Waste management becomes future management. From Ballyclare comes the Ulster Shredder's U15 kilowatts of raw force backed by 15 5mm blades. It slices carpet edges like paper. But don't underestimate it. Plastics, glass, wood, confidential files all disappear without hesitation. In Kent, vehicle recycling follows strict environmental protocols. Fuel, oil, coolants, extracted and processed safely before dismantling begins. Once cleared, cranes and handlers strip the vehicle methodically, preparing clean material streams for the steel industry and reducing landfill impact. Tired of scrap clutter swallowing your yard? Industrial shredders turn chaos into control. Waste becomes resource. Disorder becomes revenue. The Uraco 95 devours scrap cars and engines with relentless torque. Steel doesn't stand a chance. Terrifying? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. The MNJ 6012M tears through waste wood, turning piles of disorder into manageable output. Every blade rotation screams raw, mechanical authority. At Board Namona, the Tana Shark 2000 XL2 grinds wood steadily, slow, unstoppable, turning chunky waste into uniform chips with controlled force. The VZ850 packs a 768 horsepower diesel engine engineered for heavy-duty wood processing. Dense timber meets consistent, clean cuts. Precision at industrial scale. On the streets, a side-lift garbage truck runs its daily routine. Hydraulic arm lifts bins, trash drops into the hopper. The compactor crushes it tight. Plastic cracks, cans pop. It's the soundtrack of controlled waste management. Even legends fall. A Mercedes SLS AMG, once praised for performance and design, reaches the end of its life cycle. Systematic dismantling proves that even icons return to raw material. Handling oversized 80-inch off-the-record tires requires specialized equipment. The ID MPS 150 vertical primary shredder delivers vertical force with reliable size reduction and safe operation. Industrial recycling demands machines built for extremes. The XR shredder stands as an engineering marvel. Low maintenance, efficient throughput, precision processing. It doesn't just handle waste, it elevates the entire operation. The M&J 4000-6 mobile rail cutter handles pre-shredding, fine cutting, and granulation, a core asset in recycling facilities and hazardous waste plants worldwide. The Taurus Redline B16H operates as a pre-shredder for end-of-life vehicles. Within minutes, a full car is fragmented, volume reduced, metal prepared, downstream separation improved. This is sustainable scrap management in motion. If you want soothing destruction, listen to a stainless steel shredder at work. Precision, power, rhythm, metal reduced to manageable fragments in a symphony of torque. Oversized material above 250 millimeters, raw power and smart design handle it. Total domination over clutter. Ever wondered how your old microwave meets its end? A 4-shaft shredder answers that question. Gears and chains synchronize spinning blades. Slow, powerful chewing. Appliances reduced to fragments. It's like watching a metal monster with a taste for destruction, but in the end, it's not about destruction. It's about recovery. It's about control. It's about turning waste into value.